Think you need thousands to start investing? Not true. You can begin with just $100, and I'll show you how in this video. If you leave your money sitting in a regular bank account, inflation will slowly reduce its value over time, making it worth less in the future. However, by investing wisely, you give your money the opportunity to grow, outpace inflation, and build real wealth over time. There are 3 simple and beginner-friendly ways to start investing, even if you don't have a lot of money. Index funds, which allow you to invest in a broad market with low risk. The second option is ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that offer diversification and flexibility. The third option is fractional shares, which let you buy small portions of expensive stocks so you can start investing with as little as a few dollars. When it comes to choosing an investment platform, there are several great options depending on your goals and experience level. Vanguard is known for its low-cost index funds and is a favorite among long-term investors looking to build wealth steadily. Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options, commission-free trading, and excellent research tools, making it a strong choice for both beginners and experienced investors. Robinhood, on the other hand, is a user-friendly app that allows commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for those who prefer a simple, mobile-first experience. The right platform for you depends on whether you prioritize low fees, automation, research tools, or hands-on trading features. This is what long-term growth and consistency can do for you. Let's say you invest $100 into your index fund each month. In 30 years, the amount would have compounded to over $200,000. You can celebrate and be happy with yourself for investing in your future. Now that you know what to do, here are some common mistakes you need to avoid. Don't panic if the market goes down. Many investors panic and sell their stocks when the market goes down. Over time, the market will go back up and you might miss some gains. It's hard to time the market, so the best you can do is just invest and let your money compound over time. Start investing as early as possible. Don't let your money lose value in the bank and get eaten up by inflation because you were too lazy to invest. Now that we have covered some of the basics, are you ready to start investing? Hit the subscribe button and follow for more wealth-building tips. What's your investing goal? Drop a comment in the chat.